Okay, so let's figure out how this goes around. So here I have an adapter for my old MacBook, and it has a long cord, so I basically just looped it together. And here is how you can do this. Okay, so you're gonna take your loop and you're gonna hold it in your hand just like this. The first thing we're gonna do is loop this around here. So you wanna find one of these strings, and I'm gonna choose this one because it has like this guy. Okay, so you take that loop and you're going to loop it over around this string, or the little head right there. Okay, you're going to loop it around there, get that secure first, and then you're going to take your wire and just put it together. Okay, then the next thing you're going to do is take this, wrap it under and around, and I'm going to do it twice. And I think that's a good idea because you want this to be pretty secure. And then you're going to bring it around and wrap it around the head again so that it's secure. Now make sure that you wrap it underneath the head right here. And the thing that I like about this, I believe this is silicone, and so it has like a good, it's holding onto this really tight. And I love the elasticity of this too, because this is gonna hold it together really well. So here we go. I'm really excited about this. This is so much better than just having these cords like flapping all around and getting tangled with each other. So I have lots of these to tie up, you know, to lots of cords. And I believe that this comes in a pack of 20. I got 20 anyway, and they're different colors. They're color coded. So let's see. Here are the colors that they come in. So they come in pink and gray and black and green. And then they also come in a white color too. So this is really cool. Like if you got a piece of paper and you wrote down what the colors stood for, or what you could do, and I've considered doing this, is taking like a black Sharpie marker, a fine tip, and then you could write initials on it. Like if you have your kids, you know, devices that you were trying to do the cords for, you could do like their initials right here or something like that. So there's definitely lots of uses for these, and I love that they come in different colors. They're very stretchy, which means they can go around many different like lengths of cords. Oh, say hi to Max. That's my Shih Tzu. But anyway, I'm really impressed with these. I'm excited to take care of the chaos, clutter, and just make it look a lot more organized and neat. So I highly recommend these if you're looking for something that would help you to do the same.